What's the value of this expression? 10 and 1/2 divided by 5 and 1/2. Whenever you have orders of operations, you must learn the international convention and rule, which is called PEMDAS. So let's see what PEMDAS is at first, and then we will do this together, okay? So P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. If you're asking yourself, there is no parentheses here, we will need parentheses for the homework. So P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction, and this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first if you see them, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority and precedence. And finally go for addition and subtraction. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. For God's sake, learn it once for all. Let's now do our original expression. We have here we have mixed numbers. So 10.5 is a mixed number. At first, we should turn them into the improper fractions. I mean, into one single fraction. So 10 and 1/2, at first, you need to multiply this whole number, which is 10, by the denominator, which is 2. So 10 times 2 gives us 20. And then add it to the numerator. So 20 plus 1 gives us 21, and then keep the same denominator. So 21 over 2. That's the same thing as 10 and 1/2. So one more time, multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 10 times 2, maybe I can write it down at first here. 10 times 2, it gives us 20, and then 20 plus numerator, which is 1, 20 plus 1 gives us 21, and then keep the same denominator. So 21 over 2. Let's do this the same thing for 5.5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 over 2. So now the fraction becomes like this, 21 over 2 divided by 11 over 2. Now we just have a division of two fractions. So for doing this, write down or keep the first number, 21 over 2, change the division into the multiplication, and flip the fraction, the next fraction. So by flipping, I mean reciprocate. So whenever you see the division, change it into the multiplication and reciprocate the next number. So now we have just the multiplication of two fractions. You can simplify these two or cancel these two out, and the final result is 21 over 11. It is a improper fraction. If you want, you can turn it into a mixed number. By how? So if you divide 21 by 11, it just gives us 1, right? And then the remainder is 10. So you can write it as 1, and let me write it down here. Oh, that was a nasty arrow. So 1 and 10 over 11. That's the final answer. And for your homework, I try to really complicate the whole thing. I added parentheses into parentheses and exponents here. So please, I really look forward to seeing your answers to this one. Make sure to do the homework and subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, if you haven't already. It really motivates me and inspires me, by the way. And tonight is the FIFA World Cup final between Argentina and Spain. So which team do you think is going to win? Put it also in the comments below. All the best to you, my dear students.